If you want to change the keyboard theme on the Samsung Galaxy A37, first of all, we need to open Settings. Over here in Settings, if you scroll down, you should be able to find the General Management. This is where we want to go. Then in here, go to the Samsung keyboard settings. And then here we should be able to find the theme option. Unfortunately, there are not so many options available. We have the light and solid light option, and also dark and solid dark. Besides that, we can also use the high contrast keyboard option, which allows you to change the colors of the keyboard. So for example, we can find the black letters on yellow keypad, we have white letters on black keypad, yellow letters on black keypad, and white letters on blue keypad. So you can choose your favorite one if you want to use some colors. And if you're looking for some more themes or more customization, then unfortunately you would have to download a third-party keyboard such as Gboard or Google Keyboard, which allows you to find more theme customization options. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.